Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to factory reset HMD phone. So I have HMD Crest 5G in my hand, and in this video I'm going to show you how to factory reset HMD phone. Okay, to do factory reset, first go to settings. Okay, now in settings scroll down to the bottom, and here you can see system. Tap on system, and here you can see reset options. Tap on it. So here we have reset mobile network settings, reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, reset app preferences, and erase all data factory reset. Tap on erase all data factory reset. So guys, you can see erase all data. This will erase all data from your phone's internal storage, including your Google account, system and app data and settings, downloaded apps, music, photos, and other user data. You can see. So now simply tap on erase all data. So you can see re-enter your PIN. Now enter your PIN and tap over there. So here you can see erase all data. All of your personal information and downloaded apps will be deleted, and you can't undo this action. So now simply tap on erase all data. Okay, now it will restart. So you can see it is erasing, and here you can see data erased. Okay, and guys, after factory reset it might take some time to boot up the device. After it, just simply follow the steps and complete it to use the phone. So guys, this is the method to factory reset HMD phone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query latest video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe, and click on bell icon for the latest updates.